Hey everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my kitchen. Today I have some more LED lights. These are by Tenmiro. I usually have been getting a different brand ones, but I figure, hey, why not try this brand here and see how these compare. If you know my house here, I have LED lights most everywhere. I don't have them on at the moment, but I do have lights. So this is what the box looks like. It's fairly small. Let's see, this one here is supposed to be 65.6 feet. So that would go, man, probably all the way around the whole roof of this place. So here in the box, we have a nice looking remote. We have the little clips. These are the little clips that you can clip onto the wall or whatever if you want to do it without, without taping it. And then we have the adapter. And that's funny, it comes all connected all together already. So there we go. And here's the instructions. So these are, it's taped up a little bit here, but you can see these have tape on the back of them too. Do they? It looks like it does. Yeah, it has a tape on the back. So you could peel off the tape and stick it on directly. You can see here, like this one here is coming undone. You can see, right? I'm not going to take it all apart just because I'm not putting them up right now, but you can kind of see, it's just a white backing on a white tape. And then these are the lights here. You can see they're about, I guess, about 1.5 inches, 2 inches apart. And so the reel would go to a total of 65.5 feet, I think is what it said. 65.6 feet. So let's give these things a try and see how bright they look and how they work. I happen to have an extension cord right behind me. Okay, so we are plugged in. Oh, they just went on. But let's see here. I have the remote. And it looks like this is one of those remotes. So in order to get it to work, you got to pull the tab to activate the battery. And there we go. So now it's off. Okay, so let's check this thing out here. So let's turn it on. Oh, I'm not even facing it towards the receiver. The receiver is down here somewhere. There's the receiver is right there. But you can see I'm facing it the other way. Well, I guess if I don't face it towards it, it doesn't work. So there, facing it towards it. So this is whatever the default color is that it started with. We'll go blue, green, red, yellow, and I don't know what the other colors are, but it looks like it does all these different colors. You can set it to, let's see, to flash. And it flashes, fade, and it just kind of fades. It looks like it's switching colors as it fades. There's a fade 3. I don't know what that is. Oh, fade, that was fade 7. A fade 3, I guess, is 7 colors that's feeding through. And then we have jump 3. This is going to jump between 3 colors. This is going to jump between 7 colors. And then whatever this is, auto, I don't know. So those are the different options you get with it. It looks pretty cool. You can see, so if you put it all up around the place, it'll light up. That looks like it's fairly bright. Let's see if we have brightness adjustments here. Let me just go to W. That's white. And then we can go to the, is this going, yeah, that's going dimmer. So it goes dimmer. There you can see the little lights now. And then we go brighter. And then it shines bright like a diamond. So there you go. So it's pretty cool. And so it comes with the little, the nugget here. And you can connect it up to a phone app, it looks like here, if you use the little QR code. I'm not connecting it up right now for our purposes, but then this is the little nugget that it comes with, and this is going to be the receiver for that, as well as the connector for these. And you can, it looks like it's got the traditional 4-pin connector. Some of them have 3 pins, and those are going to be IC controlled, individually controlled. But these ones here, so that means every one of these lights are going to be the same color at the same time. There's no way to make them chase or run or anything like that. These are more of the basic style. But this is what they look like, and they're pretty cool. And so 65 feet will go pretty long. I mean, if I'm 6 feet, not even 6 feet tall, it'd be like 10 of me, or probably 11 or 12 of me laying down end to end. So it can go a pretty good distance. They seem pretty good and durable and not too hot yet. And this has been on the white highest. I know you're not supposed to keep them on like this, but it's been on the white highest for a few minutes now. But I like it, so thumbs up. Kind of cool, different brand here. This is Tenmiro. Be sure to pick one of these up at the link below. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks, bye.